Welcome to the third session of Marketing Concepts course offered as part of Erasmus Project, Virtual Youth Business Hubs International Network. The course is conducted by the University of Foggia with the Professor Pierpaolo Magliocca as primary instructor. My name is Anna Roberta Gagliardi, and allow me to offer a briefly presentation of myself. So I am a clinical engineer, and now PhD candidate attending the PhD course in translational medicine and health management system at University of Foggia, obviously Italy. The title of this lesson is Advancement of Marketing and Setting Up its Strategy. So, this lesson, this course aims to provide a briefly overview of the historical development of marketing and its contemporary transformation. I intend to offer you a comprehensive examination into the phenomenon of societal transformation, with the ultimate objective to establishing a clear and interesting definition of customer-oriented marketing strategy. In fact, the purpose of this section is to highlight the evolution of marketing, its relevance to progress in society, and the crucial role of marketing strategy. The idea is to inspire students to reflect on the essence of marketing and its capacity to change involved in the setting of marketing strategy. Marketing is not merely a business function. It's a dynamic force that shapes our choice, influences our desires. In a world inundated with products and services, marketing serves as the bridge that connects business and consumers, where value is created and exchanged. Marketing is the art of understanding, engaging, and satisfying individuals and societies' ever-evolving needs and desires. It's a multifaceted discipline blending psychology, creativity, data analysis, and strategy. The basis of marketing lies in recognize that customers are the core of every endeavors. The heart of marketing beats the rhythm of customer centricity. So, how has marketing changed in recent years? 20 years ago, when we talked about marketing, okay, we often used the keywords, the key concept as enterprise and product. Today, when we talk about this phenomenon, the critical words, the critical concept, the essential rule are between customer and brand. So, the idea that moves the market economy is value for customer. And current marketing is progressively global marketing. Popular terms in the field of marketing contain e-commerce, m-commerce, mobile marketing, digital word of mouth, as known as word or mouth, and social network marketing. As it, at its core, marketing is about creating value. Yeah, whether it's through developing innovative products, crafting compelling brand narratives, or delivering a customer experience. Value is the currency of marketing realm. We live in a consumer-driven world where products and services must fulfill functional needs and resonate emotionally with customers. The brand is now recognized as a collection of values created by the customer and the name of a company's product. A brand that wishes to gain and keep its market share in space and time, influence the customer, and exceed the competition has to focus on building the brand on and building on about brand equity. In fact, in essence, brand equity and is the strict word of a brand encompassing its intangible quality that shapes individuals' thought, emotion, and conviction. The focus is not on the characteristics or attributes themselves, but rather on the factor that gives rise to aspiration, longing, and pursuit. Marketing is not just about product, but also brand. Branding instills a distinct identity that resonates with consumer, fostering loyalty and trust. A brand's identity encapsulates its essence, expressed through logos, and most importantly, its value is applaud. So, with this slide, we start the topic about social transformation factors. I wanted list the main, the critical, the essential factors that that are impacted, okay, the society. The main factors are network technologies, hyperconnection, globalization, deregulation, privatization, competition, processing and of the retail trade, consumer purchasing power, consumer information, consumer participation, consumer resistance. So, yeah. Now we need to define the query, okay? The important sentence about customer-oriented marketing strategy. In a sense, marketing management covers the ability to select target markets that allow them to establish profitable partnership, as well as in specific contexts, the identification, attraction, consolidation, and nurturing of target customer through the creation, presentation, and communication of a high value providing that sets them apart from competitors. For this reason, the standard type of selection of customer is the follow. So the management determines which customer segments to serve. And this is defined target marketing and divides the market into segments, market segmentation. So consequently, marketing managers decide on the target that they wish to engage and specify the nature, timing, and level of the associated inquiry. Corporate marketing management in marketing comprises two primary components. It's very, very important: customer and demand management. At the basis of the customer and demand management, we have a fundamental concept: the value proposition. The value proposition refers to the value that a firm offers to the market, which is communicated in terms of perceived benefits, whether real or intangible, that customers may get by purchasing the suggested solution. The value proposition refers to the collection of advantages of a business commits to providing its consumers, resulting in the pressure and justifying the associated cost. The concept entails providing a shortly portrayal of a product's distinctive features and qualities, taking into account the requirements and anticipation of prospective buyers. The objective is to emphasize the product's unique aspects in relation to competing offerings, thereby improving its appeal to consumers. Sorry. So, in this lesson, we explore the evolution of marketing over the past few years. In fact, we offer an investigation of social transformation. We list the main variables and we defined customer-oriented marketing strategy. In conclusion, marketing is a multifaceted discipline that interlines, creativity, strategy, and a deep understanding of human behavior. It is the skill that drives economic growth, the art of creating value, and the science of meeting our global society's diverse needs and desires. As we explore the dynamic marketing world, let us remember that this essence lies in the ever-present pursuit of creating meaningful connection between business and individual. Thank you for your attention, and thank you again.